Hello guys, today I will demonstrate you how to install Magnoscope. The package contains one stand, two rods, one coupler, one bolt and one main unit. This main unit has tube light, circular tube light in here, and this is magnifying glass. First, install one of the rod by placing and twisting into the stand. Take the dual stand couple, loosen the screws, install any one of it. Take another rod. Before you install into the coupler, please fix the bolt to the rod and tighten it. Here we go. And then you can place the rod at appropriate length and then tighten the screw. Make sure the nut is fastened properly, and then you can plug in the input from here. Okay, here you go. That's all. Thank you.